my dental health was terrible. I see other people with their before and after pictures. I was 3-4 times what they were. I probably had 7 full teeth left in my mouth. The rest were broken off at gum level. When I was younger, I had a tooth knocked out and the technology wasn't there, so he did a root canal and shoved it back in the hole. I had the weak enamel, I had cavities, I had the rotten teeth. They started to, the backs fell out first, and I had the cavities, got them pulled. As I got older, the front started to show, and that's when the trouble started. Where you're too embarrassed to smile. You just didn't want to join conversations because, like I said, people are staring at your face. It affected my heart. I felt my heart getting a little weaker because they really got bad. I had infections and root canals after this and that. Everyone's probably had a toothache or two, but I probably had one a month at least, and sometimes it's just unbearable. The ice packs, the aspirins, then the stomach pain from the aspirins. I was a contractor and I went on a lot of estimates, and I always wanted to kind of look away because I'm an eye-to-eye person. But when you have your teeth rotten and you don't feel as, professional, I guess it would be. So I'd move to the left or move to the right.
By the time he arrived to Naples Dental Wellness Center, he was living with missing teeth, a severe decay, chronic infections, jaw pain, and an ability to chew properly. Every meal was a struggle, and every day was a reminder of the condition of his bite and smile. After a thorough evaluation, we created a life-changing solution: upper and lower all-on 7 dental implants restored with a premium zirconia teeth reinforced with a titanium bar for maximum strength and longevity. The transformation was incredible.
Well, people tell me all the time, a lot of people say, I've never seen you smile. I've known you for 20 years. And then they see me smile and say, oh, wow. Before treatment, I was quiet. I didn't involve myself in the other people's conversations and stuff. Now, you can't stop me. That's almost like 2 different people. Your personality comes back.
Michael went from pain and infection and frustration to a strong, permanent smile that looks natural, feels natural, and allows him to eat the foods he loves again. Sometimes it's not just about replacing teeth, it's about giving someone their life back.